JDCap26 here for just do the repairs and tips, and we're here in my friend's car. I don't have a car anymore. I had to junk mine. I kind of need a new car, guys. So rate and subscribe, please. I'm going to show you how to do Bluetooth on this. We're going to take this piece right off here. This is his GPS, and you see that button, configuration. You want to go to configuration. Brings up the heads-up screen. There's your time settings, okay? Now, to get to each one of these, you just hit select right here. So you can go to radio settings and you turn the dial here to the right. See that? Let me screen out here. You turn to the right and see how you can go up and down. You turn the dial left or right. So you go to your phone settings and you hit select, and it'll bring it to this screen here, Bluetooth, and you want to hit select, and then you want to go to pair the device, hit select again. Okay, and I can't do it because my phone is, I don't have his phone with me, so I'll show you. You hit select and then you turn your Bluetooth on your phone, okay? You turn it on and you hit select and it'll give you a code, okay? And the code will be like 4 numbers. And then you punch the code into your phone, the 4 numbers, and it'll say, do you want to save this? And it'll say yes. And then it'll say your name of the phone, or you gotta post it, you gotta give it a name, like JDCap26 or Peter or Steve, and then it'll record it and then it'll hit done and you'll be all paired up. Sometimes it gets goofed up. I don't know why these Bluetooth systems are funny sometimes. This is for a Buick Lacrosse 2010, and I hope this helped you in how to set up Bluetooth. And we'll go back here, and there's other devices. If you want to get out of it, you hit configure. You go to I don't know, I forget how to get out of this now, but let's see, go down vehicle settings. You don't want to go to vehicle settings, so to go back in the settings, you hit the back button right here. You go all the way back. You can do your time settings right here. Set your time settings, and boy, it's really hot in this car, guys. I'm telling you. I had to junk my car, so please watch my videos and rate and subscribe and tell your friends. I kind of need a car, guys, so I'm hoping to pick one up, second-hand one, real cheap. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you later.